Hey team, I just wanted to record this video real quick, being that we have some new teamies. So this video is going to be about launches and pre-sales. And of course, at any time you can reach out to me directly and I can answer any questions. You can comment in the group chat. You can ask questions in the Flavor Collective group. Excuse me. All right, so when we have a new launch, it gets, basically they announce it in our news section of the workstation, okay? I'm gonna use the Star Wars as an example. So Thursday, we got notification of the release. It's normally, a release happens on a Monday. So we get notification on Thursday, Monday is when it actually launches. But Star Wars, they're doing May the 4th be with you, so they're actually using tomorrow, Tuesday, May 4th, for the launch date. So basically, this particular launch is going to be released between 12:30 p.m. and 1:30 p.m. When there's a big launch like that, as soon as you find out about it, the most beneficial thing that you can do is start posting immediately. Personal page, your Scentsy group, text message your friends that you know like Star Wars. If you use the Amy app, you can send messages through that. You definitely just want to get it out there that this launch is happening, okay, and that there's products that customers may want. And I've already gained quite a few new customers from our launches, Star Wars and Disney, so it's definitely something to take advantage of. So now tomorrow, when the launch happens, you will want to be in your workstation at 12:30. It will bump you into queue. There's always a queue when there's a launch. So basically what that means is it starts as they're adding things to the website and to the workstation, it basically puts you like in a waiting room. And then you'll notice once the queue starts, it'll say you are number 10, you are number 15. Excuse me, it's approximate, 10-minute wait, whatever it may be. Do not refresh, don't exit out, just stay there. You are in the right spot. It will then refresh you, put you into the workstation, you go in, you do your order, and you sign out. That is a typical launch procedure, okay? As far as a launch goes, as soon as we get that word that something awesome is coming out, because Scentsy's good at that, right? We have Star Wars, we have Disney, we have Amazing Scents, we have so many awesome products. So as soon as you get notification and you start sharing with people, definitely start taking note. So I have a Word document that I put everything in. People that are interested in something, maybe somebody liked a post, but they didn't necessarily comment and say they wanted it. So I would message that person and say, I noticed you liked the Star Wars post. Is there something that interested you on that post? Are you a Star Wars fan? Try to get that sale. And then the other thing I do is I also write it in a notebook. So once I have all my orders, I actually then message everybody and I say, this is the amount that you owe. So don't forget to kind of try to calculate and figure in how many and how much the party that you're submitting is going to be, how much the order is going to be. Remember, if you hit $200, that's actually considered a party. So you definitely want to do it as that and use the rewards for yourself. To build your stock or to get bars to make samples or get counter clean to make samples, things like that. And then, like I said, you just basically want to start collecting payment. You can collect payment any way you wish. I do Venmo and PayPal. I offer credit card, which you just put the credit card information in as you're checking out. That one's not too popular. I also offer Zelle. It's usually Venmo, though. That's the most popular. So fast forward, put the order in, right? So for tomorrow's launch, we have R2-D2, the Child Buddy, and the 3 different bars. The Child Warmer is not launching tomorrow. This is a product that has been out a while back. So what they're doing is they're offering it again for pre-sale for people that weren't able to get their hands on it the last 2 times. So a true, real pre-sale. This is how it works. Scentsy lets us know that there's a pre-sale coming. Basically, if anybody's interested, any of your customers, when the pre-sale hits, it's usually out. It's usually available for about a week. You give them your website, they go to the website, they order it. It's $10 down. They then get an email. Every pre-sale is a little different. Right now I think it's between like September and October. So they'll get an email, ask them to complete their purchase, they pay for the remaining, and then it gets shipped to them. Pre-sales, unfortunately, they are a few months out, but the reason why is so that they know exactly how much stock they need, so that whoever wants them can get them. So those are the difference between a launch and a pre-sale. Now, a lot of times when we have a launch, I do use the phrase pre-sale, but it's not a real pre-sale. You're basically just saying it is because you're telling them that it's available like 3 days before, okay? I'm trying to think here. Yeah, so that's about it. I just wanted to touch base and verbally tell you guys the difference of the two, because I know a lot of times I message or I text. I feel like being face-to-face and actually hearing it, maybe it'll help you. Also, if there's any kind of training videos you guys want to see or hear or something you need me to go over, please just let me know. I'd be more than willing to go ahead and jump on a call or even record a video for you. Okay? Bye, guys.